We're going to make a blank document here in Photopea that will divide into a grid of 4 squares across, 4 squares down, each 4 inches with a 1/4 of an inch in between. Lucky 4s. So this is for our Warhol project. So here in Photopea, we're going to select File, New. Let's go ahead and name it Your Name _ Warhol. This will be the big document where we put all of our separate photos on. The most important thing here is that we change this to inches. Right now it's set to pixels, and we really need to make sure that is set at inches. So we're going to type in 16.75. That'll be 16 3/4 of an inch. 16.75 in both of those. And let's change the DPI to 150. Now notice when I do that, it puts some extra numerals behind there, but those are just empty decimals, so that still is 150. And we have the option here of different backgrounds. Let's keep it at white or change it to white if it's not already. When we hit create, we'll have then our blank canvas on which we're going to create those guides. So if I click here on view and pull down to add guides, I can click back over to my presentation to type in those numbers. I didn't think to copy paste it first, so hold on while I do that. Gotta pull that up. All right, so we're gonna copy paste these numbers here into Photopea. So unlike me, you should have those copied and ready to go when we click add guides. And then if you take a look at these, you can see that the way that they're set up is we're going to put a blue line at 4, at 4.25, so that's 4 1/4. So that'll leave a little 1/4 inch gap between that. We'll set one at 8 inches and 1/4, 8 1/2, 12 1/2, 12 3/4. So we'll place the same numbers in there. You can see that they preview for us after just a moment, and that looks great, so we'll hit OK. Again, however, if this is not set to inches, you'll end up with a very different looking grid. So if your grid does not look like this, you're going to want to check that this is set to inches. And that's all we need to do for this document. To get it ready, we'll save it for later. So we're going to save as PSD, and it'll download it then into our downloads folder.